So, as you're all aware now, I've not uploaded a video on my YouTube in over 3 weeks. Now, as you've all pretty much been here from the beginning, I think you all deserve to know where I've been for that time. Here you go. So yeah, as you can see, the entire studio has had a massive, complete makeover. So where do I even start? So the videos are now just going to look loads better. I've spent loads and loads of hours now getting my drums sound better, so the drums are just going to sound better each week. I've planned loads of different videos as well, so I know that, as I'm coming up to a year now of doing these videos, there's no excuses now to do out of time drumming or out of sync footage or audio that sounds bad or video shots or the camera angles that just are bad. There's no excuse for that anymore, and I now need to go into phase 2 of filmmaking, and I now need to just step up my game, and that is definitely what I'm really excited to do. So I've been spending the last 3 weeks upgrading the room, and also doing my drum sound as well. On top of that, I've also started university as well, so now I'm spending a lot of hours studying for that as well, as that's obviously priority. So yeah, very, very soon now, you're just going to see videos that are just now going to take a massive leap from the old ones. As I've just got this mentality that I'm now in phase 2. As the whole year before is all kind of testing like boundaries, copying a few of my favorite people, kind of experimenting a bit. But now it's like, right, now I need to do my own thing. And now it's like, no games anymore. It's now just a lot more serious. Yeah, so I'll be uploading videos really, really soon, guys. So I'll see you there.